my god. Snowing! Oh my gosh, guys. It's so freaking cold. Oh my goodness, I'm going to fall. I'm walking up the steps right now. It's so cold. Louie's freezing too. Oh my goodness, guys. It is so cold. I don't know what to do. See? Right back there. See that little stick right there? Wait. I don't know if you guys can see that. This little right here in this area, that is my car. It is stuck in the snow. So this is what it looks like outside. It is really cold. I am freezing. My hand. See, I have no gloves. I'm stupid. My gloves are in the car. My gloves are inside the car and I'm outside. But look at my feet. Look at my feet. Can you see my feet, guys? See my feet? See my feet? Oh my gosh, guys, it's so cold right now. I'm waiting for...
You might have to go around front.
I know.
And dig your way out.
I can't get out.
I didn't think so. She was stupid enough to go out, whoever's listening.
Okay, we're going in the house now. Louie, it's cold. This is Louie being excited about the snow. Louie, you want to go back outside? Huh? You want to go outside? Look, guys. It is so snowy outside. I can't even take the snow off my shoes. Look at that. It's so snowy. Okay, I'm inside the house now. It's really warm in here, but it's freezing cold outside. I'm gonna have to try to take another way to get outside because the gate won't open for me to get to my car. I'm stuck in the backyard. So we're gonna try to go outside in the front. And Mike's gonna help me shovel a way out to the house because it's really deep. Alright, see you guys.
Okay. And don't do in front of my car, or don't do any of my car because the plow's gonna come up. Yeah, you can mess with hers a little bit to get some out of the way, but when the blizzard really hits and the wind blows, it might blow it right back to where you took it away from. If I was you, I would just open up the gate part. Then you come in and eat some bacon and eggs.
So we just got out from the front so we could go out back, and it's still freezing cold out here. As you can see, it's really cold out and it's really snowy. You see Mike leading the way to go in the back so he could dig out my car. Luckily, some people were lucky. Thing is, I'll see my car and I'll see what it looks like right now. I'm having a problem trying to walk in the snow, but it's really fun. I just hope I can get out. I am like really terrible at walking in snow. Oh my gosh. And I am almost there to go to my car. Look how deep these are. Mike! I just fell in the snow.
Of course you did.
Guys, it is so hard to walk out here. So guys, this is what my car looks like right now. It is covered in snow. She is hibernating right now, see? Since she's being buried in snow. She's trying to ask for help. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so cold. Mike's trying to clean out the walkway. Oh my god. So, that is how deep this snow is. That is how deep it is. Louie's right there. Louie wants to know what Daddy's doing. Sweeping the snow. I believe this is Louie's first time really in deep snow. Louie. Made, guys. It looks like a Hershey kiss. Mwah. So Mike is going to attempt to clean my car.
Yeah, Mike, wipe as much as you can to the back, which is going to come out.
And Louie is out there. Louie! Louie! Come here. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. He's stuck, I think. Where?
In the park.
Louie, come on. He is going to freeze without a coat on. So, she's starting to see. And I am cold. I have these gloves on. But they won't let me slide on my phone, so one hand is freezing. And my legs are so cold, I feel the ice biting my legs.
Hey, Kara, he'll probably be peeking out the window. I moved stuff so he can look and watch.
Okay. How do you feel, Mike?
I feel lovely.
How do you like this snow?
Needs to go away.
Needs to go away. So he has to make sure he does not keep me stuck in here. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the other side. If I could get on the other side. As you can see, there's footprints here. There's no footprints here. Whoa! Look at this. I am definitely snowed in. My car is covered in snow. Oh no, it's windy again. There's a little park behind the house. See guys, this is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Get a little bit of a closer look by looking at this roof. Just how much it's blowing. It is so cold. Oh my goodness, guys, be safe out there. It is so freezing cold out here. Do not come outside unless you need to. I don't know. Right now it's kind of stupid for me to be out here because I'm not doing anything. And also Mike, he doesn't really need to clean the car because the snow is not going to stop. I don't know, guys. It was really cold. I think my glasses are fogging up right now. Other than that, I'm really okay. It's not that bad. Look at a beautiful tree. Beautiful tree. And Mike bundling up. Say hi, Mike.
Hi.
So, I guess I'll show you guys what happens after he's done cleaning my car. Because it's freezing. My legs are, I guess I'm getting frostbite. I don't know. Let's walk. Walk. There, that's the big print I made with my fat self from falling down. So, deep, 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 deep. See how much Louie's in there? Come on. Come on, go over here. Over here. Louie, over here. He's enjoying himself. Even though it's freezing cold out here. Lily. Lily. Louis is enjoying the snow. You guys see Louis in there? It's right there. Louis! Louis! Louis, come on! Let's go in the house! Come on! Go to the house, Louis! Louis! Hey! Louis! Over here! Louis! Over here! Louis! Come on! Okay guys, I'm in the house. As you can see, look at my glasses. Look at the glasses. Louis in the house too. He's trying to get warm. Oh my goodness. Louis. Louis. He is trying to stay warm. Look at that. He's trying to comfort me because I'm cold too. How'd you like the snow, Louis? I think he wants to go back out later to take a walk. I don't know if that'll be possible. Look at that. Look at him getting all cozy. Oh my goodness, it's gotten colder. It's so... Come here. Come here. Come here. Louis. 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 Louis, over here. Louis, come on. Come on, Louis. Louis. One, two, three.
Nope. Get it, look. Get it. Come on, push. Come here.
start shoveling. There's
This is
nothing
what
to shovel.
happens when you go outside for 5 minutes in the
You
snow.
licked my monkey.
He's ready to eat after the snow.
Give him a bone. Give him a bone. Don't lick
so
my
cold.
monkey, boy.
It is so cold
It's
outside.
windy, and it's not gonna, the wind's not going to stop until...
I might get sick. I don't know.
We're going back outside.
I look great, guys.